Yeah, what's going on? So today we got a video from Unpopular, and the title of the video is Woman's Fun Night Ends When No Nonsense Female Cop Steps In. Man, listen, if you are a female, you do not, and I mean do not, want to run into a female officer, boy. Woo! Listen, I know, listen, y'all females, y'all, it'd be competition with y'all, you know what I'm saying? Just like with the fellas, you know what I'm saying? But more with the women, you know what I mean? You do not, you got a better shot with a male officer if you're a female than if you are a female and a female officer stops you, man. Woo! Good luck.
Sit down for me.
Yeah. Get your hands off me.
Stop.
Damn,
Do not start kicking.
On October 29th, 2023, officers responded to an area following a report of an intoxicated woman running into traffic.
Hey, what's...
She's in and out of the... She's really either intoxicated or on some drugs. She was in and out of the road. You've been drinking.
Okay.
She's claiming that somebody beat her, but I don't know. We've seen her way down there passing the fire station.
Okay. Do you need medical?
No, I'm fine. You're fine.
Are you sure?
She can't walk.
She almost got hit a couple times.
Okay. So I'm gonna have medical come check you out, okay?
I have
Hang on
help.
1 second. You have what?
I'm going to behavior center.
Okay.
A behavior center?
Yeah.
Did something happen to your leg, or
You know?
no? Yeah, she said something about the behavioral center.
Okay.
Alright, well, you guys are good if you want to go. I have AMR coming for her.
Okay. Is somebody going to be able to, like, bring her home or find out? You're not just
Yeah.
going to leave her walk on the street, right?
No.
190.23.
Right.
We're gonna see what we can do for her.
Okay.
You can
Hold on,
you can
they're
stay
gonna have
sitting.
Are you guys aren't gonna leave her on the street, right? No. Listen, we got a spot for you that's gonna be real nice. 3 hots in a cot. You hear me? It's messed up, but worst case scenario, you're going to jail. You hear me?
For
You
me.
can stay sitting right here. They're
You're
gonna have
okay.
Somebody come help you, okay?
Wait a minute. Wait.
Because you almost got hit on the street now.
Couple times.
I don't want to see you die tonight. That's why I stopped.
I don't know if she made it wherever she came from.
I don't know. Do you have an ID on you? Do you have an ID on you?
Yeah.
Okay.
But, what? I'm not.
Okay. You need help? Standing? Okay, yep. Why don't you stay sitting down for us?
Look, why don't you sit on this
sit,
ground right here?
sit down on the grass for me. Sit down.
No,
We're gonna
I
help you to
haven't.
the ground, okay?
To give you my ID.
Well, I'll
She's trying to get
just
ID.
write down your name. Okay. I'll just write down your name, okay? It's
I'm
fine.
trying to give you my ID.
Well, you're about to fall over.
Well,
So-
here's my money card.
Okay, you can put it back in your pocket. You're fine.
It's okay.
It's not okay.
I was just trying to help.
You got that?
Okay.
It's not okay.
Okay, just sit down for me, okay? I'm gonna help you down, okay? Let's sit.
No.
Let's not do this, okay? I have the
It's
ambulance
not.
coming to check you out.
Okay.
Okay, sit down for me.
Yeah.
270. She's severely intoxicated. Yeah, I'm 43.
Boy, she had a good night, boy.
So,
What's your name?
it don't matter what my fucking name is.
It does matter what your name is.
No, it don't. What's your name?
Officer Patton.
Get your hands off of me.
So you're about to fall onto the ground,
Get
so...
your hands off.
Oh my god, okay. Sit down for me. On the grass until medical gets here.
No, I don't think so.
Okay, well, they're on their way. You're not just gonna walk out into traffic. Stop. Look, I'm doing this for your own welfare. Stop.
What good is it gonna do? Get your fucking hands off me.
Stop. You almost got hit by multiple cars. We're getting you checked out by the ambulance.
Oh, come on. Good
Quit,
job.
or I can put you in handcuffs. Stop.
I mean, really, is that all y'all have to do?
I mean, look, I'm not gonna have you walking out into traffic. I could
can
arrest you for
walk.
public intoxication.
You walk now. God damn it.
Put your hands behind your back. To the car. Thank you.
Wait, AMR just kept rolling? Oh. Crazy how I go from 0 to 100, huh?
Let's try to sit her up.
God damn
Do
it.
not start kicking. We're not doing this.
So, what's the story, guys?
She's severely intoxicated, running out in the traffic.
Oh, fun times.
And now she's under arrest for public intoxication.
What do you need us to do?
I need you to check her out, make sure she's okay. I just had to take her to the room.
What's her name? What's her name?
I don't know, she wouldn't tell me.
Okay.
Yeah.
Told you. Told you. Worst case scenario, look, sweetheart, you're not gonna get left out on the street. Trust me. You going to jail. You know what I mean? Listen, you gonna get a good night's sleep tonight, man. A good night. Hopefully nobody in there ain't banging and hooting and hollering or something. Maybe, depends on, Friday night or something, or, but for the most part, I think, in the girl section, you should be all right.
Are you gonna roll over to her back by any chance, Pat?
No, you can open it.
What's your name, baby?
Just hang out until the other officer gets here, okay?
Yeah, that's
I don't want you guys. She's already started kicking.
That's fine. Drunk, running around, trying to go play Frogger. Not very well. Nice.
Yeah. And then she tried to get you done.
As I pulled up, I was like, I think they're on top.
So, rough night, I guess. Sorry. Yeah.
It's nice. Let me get up. We're going to wait.
She's gonna try to kick, so I would move.
Get inside. Go inside. All right.
Darling, what's your name? Sweetie, what's your name?
Give me some kind of idea. It'd be so much easier. Just tell us your name, baby. 190 HBO time.
She's got a money card. 270. I have a name for you.
Let me see your eyes. Let me see your eyes.
Hey, calm down. Calm down. No, this is not how this works.
Paul, Edward, Nora, Tom, Ocean, Nora. First of Mary.
Do what?
You're trying to see your pupils, baby, in case you hit your head. Okay.
I ain't fucking crazy.
Are you drunk or are you just crazy?
No, I'm
At least honest.
I like an honest.
I respect that.
Well, this is it right there, okay? So I'm sorry. Huh? So they just might be doing a test for you right there.
What the f*** did I do? Oh, come on, man.
Where you live at? What's your name? Talk to me.
Let me go home.
Where's home?
Right down
Where? What's the address?
112 Dobson Road.
Trailer park over there?
Yeah.
What's your lot number?
13.
13? So where you coming from?
Right over there. Just went up to get a beer, man.
You had more than the beer. How many you had?
2.
Two big? Like,
Yeah, 2 big tall.
big tall one?
Yeah.
Tall boys?
Yeah.
Okay.
So,
What's your name?
Mary,
Mary what?
the pig.
The Pit?
I don't know.
You don't know. Can you stop cussing? It's not a good idea to cuss. Did she ride or?
We just got here, man.
I think she should.
We're tax-paying Americans.
I wasn't planning on putting her hands up until she tried to run on the road.
Look, I need you to sit up, okay? Can you sit up for me? All right. I was coming to you and then you said I don't need one. I just put a baron.
Come on, man. Go get a beer.
No, you can't get no beer, good?
Yeah, I'm fine.
Mary Anise Penton was charged with resisting arrest and public intoxication.
Watch when I get in the mood. No time for the fakes. When you see me, I see you, no FaceTime. Shoot my shot, green beam. 2K shit that get a nigga lean.